Good morning to all the listeners of Venudhwani 90.4 FM. I'm Dr. Madhav Prabhu. Today we have gathered here to speak about influenza virus and influenza disease. So we are listening to a lot of patients developing avian influenza, bird flu, swine flu and all that. So we're going to speak a little about that. What is swine flu or bird flu? See, these are lower species from which humans can acquire infections. So the virus that is there in the lower species undergoes a little mutation, which gives it the capacity to breach the species barrier and come into human beings. So when these viruses come from a different species, they are a little more potent than the species that are existing in the human beings. And that is why it is causing all the problems. Now, virus, how does it spread? It spreads from animals first to the human beings. When you have pets at home or when you have slaughterhouses or chicken shops, when you are handling these meats, that person who is handling it or comes in contact with the secretions of the animals can develop influenza. And then he can spread it to the other humans via few routes. That is, one is by fomites. That is when he touches his nose and touches some object and somebody else touches that object and takes it back to the nose, he can develop influenza. Secondly, through when the person coughs or when he sneezes, there are something known as aerosols which are released into the air. So when somebody breathes these aerosols, he can develop influenza. Now, what are the signs and symptoms of influenza? Well, influenza comes with high degree fever. It comes like any other viral disease with sore throat, with headache, redness of eyes, diffuse body ache, and sometimes it can go for breathlessness. Now, if the patient develops severe form of influenza, which is pneumonia, then the patient will come with breathlessness or maybe altered sensorium, where there could be a little difficulty in knowing who is in front of the patient, recognizing his relatives or speaking properly. So if these major warning signs like breathlessness and altered sensorium are there, then it is called serious influenza and you have to take help from your doctor immediately. Now, what do you do when you have developed this fever? And in this season, all fevers, it is better that you go and consult your doctor. Basically, the treatment, we have some tablets, antivirals like oseltamivir and all that, but the best treatment is supportive. 99%, 98% of the people will not require any major medicines. Within 7 days, the fever will resolve. But in some people, it will get complicated. Supportive care at home should be hydration. You should drink plenty of water, soup, juices and all that so that you maintain your hydration and don't get dehydrated. You can take crocin or paracetamol when you have fever, but it is best taken with the help of a doctor under his advice, and he will advise you the supportive care. If the patient develops pneumonia, breathlessness, altered sensorium, immediately bring him to the hospital. He may require oxygen support or ventilation, which will be given in the hospital. Now, how do you prevent influenza? 2 ways. Basically, when somebody is sneezing in front of you or coughing in front of you, wear a mask so that it is not transmitted from that person to you. Secondly, wash your hands and face very clean with your normal hand washes can help you. You have to wash it clean before you enter the house or before you come in contact with the elderly people in your house. Now, mind you, this disease is more severe in elderlies, diabetics and those who have poor immunity. It is not that everybody who develops influenza will develop a serious infection. So you have to take particular care of these people who are vulnerable to the disease. Influenza has a vaccine which is available. The vaccine is updated every season. So with the help of your doctor and his prescription, you can take influenza vaccine, which is just one vaccine per year. Other ways of stopping to spread is wearing your mask and washing your hands. Please do not get scared if you develop fever or chills or anything like that. Consult your local doctor. It is not a deadly disease. 98% of the patients will not develop any complication. Please take care. Thank you.
ಧ್ವನಿ ಧ್ವನಿ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವನಿ KLE ಕನಸು ನನಸದ ವೇಣು ಧ್ವನಿ.